In this lesson, we want to explain how to capture a video or recording video from the screen. To do this, we're going to the Video tab. This tab, like the Image tab, has a section for selecting a video area, which is in two modes, region and window. The region mode contains all of the modes that we need. And we have explained its setting in the previous lessons. Only a few more settings have been added. To record a microphone sound, you need to turn on the record microphone and then select it from your active microphone list. You need to turn on the record system audio to record the sounds that are played from the system, and to record your face. And if a webcam is installed, you must activate the record webcam. But I have not webcam now, and it is disabled, inactive now. Okay, now click on a capture. We can select a desired area or use full screen mode. We can select we select the desired area, and the recording toolbox appears. You can start recording by pressing the record button. You can also enable or disable a system audio or microphone here by click on them. As you can see, this section you can manually set the height and width of recording area. You can also change the area by moving these handles in the selection area. Even you can capture the image from selected area with this button. Okay. Or select a new area by redo selection. And finally, click the cancel button to cancel the video recording. Okay, now we start recording and do something and moving in the recording area. Okay, that's enough. We click to stop recording. In the software editor page, you can edit a little. Just you can only cut desired part here, which also indicates that the cut has been made in this part with this indicated here. Here you can increase or decrease the volume. These two buttons are one for generating GIFs from the desired video, and the PNG button is also used to output the same frame that you are currently on it. Okay, we will teach you the steps of making GIFs in detail in the next lesson.